Hey everybody, this is the Global Search Team 16.7 kickoff call. We're going to go through the release or the planned issues for this release, starting with the feature work. So we continue to work on Zookt sharding, which has to do with the Zookt scaling issues that we've been working on for the last couple iterations. The first issue is allowing horizontal scaling, or the first couple issues are for allowing horizontal scaling. So basically making it possible to scale the architecture as needed, depending on the demands of the system. And then switching the indexer to pulling tasks. So basically making the indexer more proactive and going to get tasks if they haven't received tasks after a certain amount of time, and being able to do that asynchronously. And then the automatic namespace scheduling will allow shards to be assigned a namespace automatically. And then on the front-end development side, we've got a few cool things. We're continuing to simplify the search input section, so eventually it will look like just basically a single search bar at the top. And then last milestone, we were working on the left side filters for the projects and the groups. And then this issue is the global search modal can duplicate results. So really quickly, what you can see is behavior sort of like this, where there may be duplicate results coming back from the global search modal. And so we're fixing that. And then we have the rewriting the advanced search status marker to be the view app. That's just complying with some front-end architecture changes that needed to get done. We're continuing to index all projects on global search. So we'll basically be able to make the open source projects on GitLab searchable. Today, that is not the case, that all projects are indexed. And so that will improve the use case for open search user, or open source users rather, as well. We're going to preload autocomplete sources/members. So what that'll do is, in this case, like if you type in the users, for example, or a username, I guess we'll do @ this can take a while. And so what'll happen is we'll basically preload that. So now if I do it, for example, it comes up right away. So we can preload that on page load so that it's just that fast automatically, and you don't have to wait so long to get users back. And then finally, we have a fix for missing file for the index integrity. So just adding in a missing file check to make sure that the index is aware of those. And I think I'll pass it to CZ for the maintenance.
Yeah, thank you, Ben. For the 16.7, we are going to clear a few feature flags that will allow us to fully release some features that we built in the last couple of iterations. One is the issue label capability. So users can use the labels to continue filter out the specific search result on the issue search result page. And also we worked on using advanced search for epic search. We are also planning to release that feature in the next milestone. For the bug fixes, we plan to fix some issues that we found in the index integrity check. So we have separated the project data into a separate index. And so the issue is that in the checks we have places that are still referring to the main index. We're going to fix this in the next milestone. Also, the next one, the 500 errors, I think that that has to do with our Zookt code search. We have started our beta program and also indexed some projects using Zookt. We hit this 502 or 500 errors. Sometimes we have a theory of why it's happening. We are going to address it in the next milestone. Also, we have a couple of bug fixes that we planned in the current milestone, and we have to carry it over to the next milestone. The first one is just to fix some count issues that's related to the work items. The second one is for the archive project. So this one, users still see the toggle when they drill down into a project. So I think no matter the project archived or not archived. So if you do a project level search, I think the toggle should be behind away from the users. We are going to fix it in the next announcement. That's all.
Awesome. Thanks, Easy. All right. That's it for global search for 16.7. See you all next time.